Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a proof of payment on the Standard Bank app. First, open the Standard Bank mobile app and select the account where the transaction was made. Next, tap Transactions at the top and find the specific transaction you need. Once selected, tap the three dots on the Details page. Then choose Proof of Payment. From there, you can either download it to your phone or send it directly via email by entering the recipient's address. And that's it. You've now successfully sent or downloaded your proof of payment from the Standard Bank app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.